Welcome to Istanbul, a city where East meets West, blending history, culture, and stunning landscapes. With its rich heritage and breathtaking sights, Istanbul offers a captivating journey through time. Start your adventure at the iconic Hagia Sophia, a marvel of architecture that has served as a church and mosque, reflecting the city's diverse history. Nearby, the Blue Mosque showcases intricate tile work and grand domes, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in Ottoman beauty. Wander through the Grand Bazaar, a labyrinth of bustling stalls offering spices, textiles, and crafts. Sample authentic Turkish cuisine, from kebabs to baklava, as you explore this sensory wonderland. Don't miss the Topkapi Palace, a glimpse into the opulent lives of Ottoman sultans, and the Basilica Cistern, an underground reservoir with ancient columns. A cruise along the Bosphorus Strait provides a unique perspective of the city's skyline, spanning 2 continents. Venture to the bustling Taksim Square for modern shopping and vibrant nightlife. And for a glimpse of local life, explore the historic neighborhoods of Sultanahmet and Beyoğlu. As the sun sets, take in the panoramic views from Galata Tower, offering a dazzling cityscape. Istanbul's lively energy is palpable, whether in its bustling markets, historic mosques, or its contemporary art scene. In just a few days, you'll be immersed in the magic of Istanbul, a city that seamlessly blends old-world charm with modern allure, leaving you with memories to cherish for a lifetime. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Tour with Pour.